Alright, let's go see what these guys got.
And then if you want to open the wing, you just click that and then click it again to shut it.
That's alright. It's weird being in a regular car after driving my car.
Okay, so you're going to come super wide.
Yeah, so we stay all the way out here, all the way out. Because we can't see them bombing us. So we stay out until here, because now they're past the exit and we can see them. Maybe 75 miles an hour in this turn. So we go all the way out, and then here we turn in. Here, in my car, this is flat. Your car is a little faster.
That's pretty sick, dude.
About 70 is the most it'll do through there. See that?
Yeah.
Where it gives out? That's the rotation. You're looking, you want that. That's how you know you trail braked enough, because you want the rear end to step out just a few degrees. See that? It gave us a little rotation. Here's where you don't want it to over-rotate though, because people spin out like crazy over there. That's the line.
What?
Your turn. See that?
Yep.
That, you want that right before the apex. You want a little bit of rotation so you can power out. Because that is faster than actually going around the corner. Is rotate the car and then stomp on it. watch Formula One?
Yeah.
You know when they say, oh, he couldn't rotate the car won't rotate. That's that. You're looking for that little bit of oversteer. That's rotation, and it happens when the front end has a lot of weight on it and is gripping, and the weight is off the rear, so the rear can spin out. And that happens with late trail braking, because you keep the front loaded up while you're turning, and then you let the back go around.